it's me, Kira. Hi. So today I'm going to be doing a Halloween themed video, which is going to be like a pumpkin spice makeup look, kind of basing it on the whole pumpkin spice theme. I'm going to be using a few new products in this video, so, well, they're new to me. I mean, they're not like new to the world. For primer, I'm going to be using a little sample of the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base Lambert. I don't really know how to pronounce that. It says Radiant Yellow on the back, so I'm assuming this is going to be yellow. So yeah, this is yellow. I'm trying to think what the yellow does in like the colour correcting world. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, which is just my holy grail foundation. Moving on to brows, I'm going to be taking the Revolution Pro Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown and taking the Morphe brow brush. Yeah, just like my normal brow routine. If you want to see a full brow routine, I think it's in one of my more recent makeup videos. I can't remember which one it is. And carve them out with the Maybelline New York Fit Me, as I always do. For concealing the rest of the face, I'm actually going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be using, this is new for me, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit in the shade Medium. And I'm actually going to be taking this this banana shade here, and taking a foundation brush, I'm going to put some on the foundation brush. And it's actually so nice. It's actually really creamy and really blendable. I used it yesterday for like the first time, literally, and it was amazing. So I'm just taking this under my eyes. We are going to add like normal concealer to this as well, but I've heard that banana shades are meant to be really good for under your eyes, so that's what I do, and I actually really like it. Yeah, you're just going to add a little bit of normal concealer under the eyes, which is the Bourjois Healthy Mix concealer, which I use pretty much all the time. And I'm just going to pop this under the eyes. We're now going to bake, taking a Revolution Beauty Blender sponge and the Collection Chilies powder. This is like my only loose powder at the moment, so if you see me using it all the time, that's why. Now for eyes, this is my new product. This is a new product. It's the Revolution Soap X Extra Spice eyeshadow palette, and I feel like this one is really good. Extra Spice Pumpkin Spice. I know. And not gonna lie, this is actually a stunning palette. Like, so for this look, we will kind of want to stick to orange, yellows, maybe like a hint of red, purple, kind of touching that kind of area, and browns. That's kind of what we want to stick with. So for transition shade, I'm actually going to be using the colour Vitamin C, because it's going to get covered up anyway, but then it also gives like this yellowy tone to it, but we will be coming back to the colour later. So this is Vitamin C, which is a pure yellow. And we're literally going to pop this all over the lid and up to the brow bone. Onto a different brush. I'm going to be mixing, onto a different brush, I'm going to be mixing the colours Running Late and Sweet and Sour, which I'm used to. Just mixing them together and putting them into the crease. So kind of working them in to kind of work with the yellow shade. Now taking the colour Chocolate Orange, which is this one down here, I'm going to be working this in deeper into the crease. And we want to make sure we're smoking all these colours out as well. These colours actually blend really nicely and it's such a great palette to work with, and there's so many different like colours, from really light colours to also really dark. I'm actually going to work into a kind of purpley reddy tone just to kind of have it there, you know what I mean? So I'm going to be taking the colours 21 and mulled wine mixed together, because I believe 21 is actually more of a purpley toned colour when it's on your eye. And I'm just going to be pressing this on to the outer V so we get the true pigment of these colours, and then blending it. Okay, that was a lot more pigmented than what I remember. So I really want to keep the orangey yellow tone. To do this, I'm literally going to go back into the yellow and into Running Late, and I'm just going to pop that kind of like over the top of the purple. And these colours together actually create their own really nice shade, which I think just looks really good. So we've got our base. I'm just gonna kind of do a half cut crease and just cut from here to around about this area, and then we're going to apply the shade LA Sun. So I want to set the concealer with some matte shades before I add the glitter on top, just because then I feel like it'll give the shimmery colours a better finish. To do that, I'm going to be taking Vitamin C and Sweet and Sour, which are these two, which keep it a yellowy orange tone. Now that is set, I'm going to be taking a flat-headed brush, spraying the Max Fix Plus, and dipping it into LA Sun. And there we go, that is the eyeshadow done. We're going to do mascara. We're going to do a tiny bit of mascara because we are going to put on lashes today. I never know whether to do mascara first, before or after lashes. So if I do it before, I'll do like a tiny little bit, like that. So I'm going to be using the Dim Eye Wispies by L'Oreal, and I have lost one, so just ignore that I have one. So we're just going to go on this row and completely ignore that fact. And I'm going to be using the Duo Glue as always, and hopefully we can put these on better than last time. Now I'm going to wipe off my bake that's been baking my face for like the last half an hour, I swear. For contour, we're going to go back to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and I love it, and I'm going to be taking the lightest contour shade because I really don't trust myself with contour. Just popping this on the Revolution Real Techniques 301 brush, and I'm just going to be like kind of like stippling this onto my jawline to create those cheekbones. And obviously I'm going to blend this in with a beauty blender. I may need to go and redampen my beauty blender if this doesn't blend in. For blush, I'm using a bit of a different brush. It's actually new, but it's a drugstore one, which there is nothing wrong with that, but I don't know if this is actually going to be any good because this is a new product. This is the Rimmel London Lasting Finish Soft Colour Brush in Live Pink or Live Pink, whichever way you want to pronounce it. I can't even open it and I'm a bit worried it's going to get taped. Okay, so this is it. Ooh, okay, that's really pigmented. Just like take some off the brush because this is a pigmented blush. This is very pigmented. Let's just remember that for next time, and I look really blush. Cute. Right. I'm gonna bronze the Too Faced bronzer, which everyone knows I love because I use it every single time. For highlighter, doing another Revolution product. I'm taking the Soap X. I feel very Soap X-y today. Highlighting palette, which I love, I love, I love. And there's so many great colours. So, like, what? I don't know what to take. I might take this purpley colour, I think, because I just feel like, yeah, I might mix it a bit with the gold because gold is gold. Oh. Okay, so for lipstick, I'm actually going to be taking a Tarte lipstick. I finally have something that's Tarte. Tarte lipstick in the shade Vibin'. Okay, so my lips are pretty messed up because I'm really bad at doing liquid lipstick. Don't even ask, but we're just gonna go with it. So thank you guys very much for watching my little Halloween themed video. I just realized these are like falling forward, how attractive. And I'm just gonna quickly set my face with the MAC Fix Plus, just because everyone's got to set their face in the MAC Fix Plus, you know what I mean? Okay, so yes, as I was saying. So thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and join my little growing family. And yes, and if you have any video requests, go ahead and comment it down below. My lips look terrible, but if you have any requests, comment them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. I upload every Wednesdays and Sundays. Thanks for watching. Bye.